Let's open Eclipse. Go to start menu and here you can type Eclipse and you get to see Eclipse application. Open it. While opening, it may ask you for workspace. Workspace is nothing but the folder where all your Java files, all your code is going to be saved. That is called workspace. If it has shown you workspace while opening the Eclipse, you just have to go to this PC and select any drive you have, create your new folder, any folder, and copy this path. Like this, you have seen the workspace dialog box. You have copied the path and just paste that path here. Click launch. The Eclipse will open. Like this, the Eclipse will open. You have to wait until it opens. Wait for some time, it is going to open. So now you see inside this Java Eclipse folder there is one more folder created, .metadata. It means your Eclipse has been created, your folder has been created successfully. Your Eclipse has been opened now. This is a welcome page. You just have to close it. Just remember, you should not close your Eclipse here. You have to close the welcome dialog box here. And after opening the Eclipse, you have to open the perspective. On the right corner top, you will get to see open perspective option. Just left click on it and you will get to see a dialog box. Inside this dialog box, you have to select Java and click on open. Now this is your Project Explorer page. Like this is the workspace of Project Explorer. Here what you need to do, you need to right click here and click on new project. Remember, you have to give Java project and click on next. Remember the project name should be in capital letters always. Let's say I am giving the project name OMCA5 and don't change anything, just click on finish. It will create a object and it is asking for you to open the perspective. The perspective should be Java SE, so it is okay. Click on just remember my decision, open perspective, and you have already created a project. Okay, inside this project, source code and JRE system library. JRE system library is the library of Java which has been imported into Eclipse by default. SRC is nothing but this is your code. This is a folder where all your codes will be saved. Just open the folder you have just created. This is the project OMCA5. Inside this OMCA5 you can see SRC. The project name you have created is OMCA5. Same project name you will get to see here. With the project name, a folder is created inside the Java Eclipse folder. So inside this OMCA5 folder you are going to see two folders, SRC and bin. Inside this SRC all your Java files will be saved. Whatever the code you have written, that will be saved inside this SRC folder. Inside this bin folder, whatever the code you have written, after that you are going to compile it. That compiled class files, all the class files will be saved inside this bin folder. As of now, come to Eclipse. Now project is created. Inside this project you have to create a package. Move your cursor onto the project name and right click over there. After clicking on the OMCA5 project name, select new. From new to come to package, because inside the project you should have package. Click on package and give the package name. Package name should be in small letters always. Let's say I am going to give small letters com dot section 2 dot practice and click on finish. Now you can see under src folder one package has been created. So if you open your drive inside this OMCA5, under this src you are going to see com.section2.practice. Open this src in your drive. Src com is a folder. Inside the folder there is section 2. Inside the section 2 folder there is a practice. So 3 folders have been created. Now click on the package, right click on it, and inside the package we have to create classes. Click on class and you can give the class name. I am going to give the class name as demo, and don't change anything here, just click on finish. As you can see, a class has been created and it is showing the package com.section2.practice. This class demo belongs to the package of com.section2.practice. This is a by default code which will be provided by the Eclipse for you. So if you want to create one more package, you have to select the project name and right click on the project name, new, and then go for package. Give the another package name. I am going to give com.spider. Remember the package name should be in small letters always, and click on finish. One more package is created inside this OMCA5 project. I am going to show you how it looks. Okay, now open your this PC. Wherever the folder you have created, open that folder. This was Java Eclipse was the folder I created, so I am opening it. Inside this OMCA5 is the project name. Inside this project name src, whatever the code we write, those code will be stored inside this src folder. Open this, and inside this you can get to see there is a folder called com. Open your Eclipse, and here we are seeing com.section2.practice. That is the only thing showing here. Inside the com you will get to see section 2 and spider. We got the spider folder here because we created a package com.spider. That's why it is showing the spider folder here. Inside this spider nothing is there because we haven't created any class or a code inside this package. Okay, now I am going to create some class inside this com.spider package. Right click on com.spider package and new, go to class. Give the class name. I am giving the class name as sample and click on finish. See, this class has been created under this package of com.spider. Now I am going to give one main method, main control space enter. Could not download its model repository, silently ignore this in future, and OK. So main method has been created. I am going to write one printing statement here. So the printing statement is welcome to Eclipse, and you click on Ctrl S. This sample folder, this sample Java file is saved now. So that saved sample Java file should be showed inside here. So this sample Java file is inside spider, com.spider. Inside the spider folder you are going to see this sample Java class. Like this Java class will be created inside each and every package. Let's discuss about this demo. Here also I am going to write one piece of code. Main method created, sysout, and I am going to give welcome. So I am going to save this demo Java file. Ctrl S. Demo Java file has been saved. So this file has to be shown inside the com.section2.practice folder. Open your this PC, and inside that Java Eclipse OMCA5 project name src your source code com dot section 2 dot practice. Inside this practice we have the demo dot java file. Okay,